Welcome to Bolivia, a country where dramatic landscapes, ancient cultures, and vibrant traditions come together in perfect harmony. From the dizzying heights of the Andes to the mysteries of the Amazon, Bolivia is a land of unparalleled beauty and intrigue. Join us as we embark on a virtual journey through this South American gem. Our adventure begins in La Paz, the world's highest administrative capital. Suspended between mountains and valleys, La Paz is a city of contrasts. Glide over its vibrant streets on the famous cable car system, and explore bustling markets like the Mercado de las Brujas, where ancient traditions meet daily life. And don't forget to admire the majestic Illimani mountain towering in the distance. Next, we journey to the Salar de Uyuni, the largest salt flat on Earth. During the rainy season, this vast expanse transforms into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky in a surreal display of natural beauty. Nearby, discover vibrant lagoons like Laguna Colorada, home to flocks of pink flamingos, creating a picture-perfect scene. High in the Andes lies Lake Titicaca, the world's highest navigable lake and a cradle of Andean civilization. Visit the Isla del Sol, believed to be the birthplace of the Inca Empire, and meet local communities who still craft traditional reed boats. Here, history and nature blend seamlessly. In Potosí, step back in time to the height of the Spanish colonial era. Once one of the richest cities in the world, Potosí is home to Cerro Rico, the rich mountain, whose silver fueled the Spanish Empire. Explore the historic streets and learn about the city's fascinating yet complex past. Bolivia's Amazon basin is a paradise for nature lovers. Journey deep into the rainforest where vibrant parrots, playful monkeys, and elusive jaguars thrive. Take a boat ride along tranquil rivers or trek through Madidi National Park, one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. Sucre, Bolivia's constitutional capital, is a city of elegance and charm. Known as the White City for its beautifully preserved colonial architecture, Sucre offers a glimpse into Bolivia's rich history. Stroll through its cobblestone streets, visit the historic Casa de la Libertad, and enjoy the city's lively atmosphere. Bolivia's vibrant culture comes to life in its traditional festivals. From the dazzling Oruro Carnival to local celebrations steeped in indigenous traditions, these events are a feast for the senses. Experience the rhythm of Andean music, the colors of intricate costumes, and the energy of Bolivian dance. Bolivia is a country of contrasts and wonders. From the otherworldly beauty of Uyuni to the cultural richness of its cities and the pristine wilderness of the Amazon, this is a destination that captivates the soul. We hope this virtual tour has inspired you to discover the magic of Bolivia for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Bolivia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible travel experiences from around the world.